Welcome to another garden update, everyone. As you can see, fall is on its way, as you can tell by looking at this tree, that one, and the leaves starting to die on this oak. These oaks, they're starting to shed their leaves too. And if we go over this way, of course we got my little pine here, but that's not really what I'm heading over here for. I have completed 2 of 3 birdhouses, and if we can get to look at the top, you can see the holiday stickers on them, which are lacquered on so they won't fade, which is good because it's been raining like a motherfucker consistently. Which another thing about that is I planted a pear tree over here. Hopefully it don't get fucking fire blight from all this fucking bullshit. But yeah, I got a little pear tree. So, yep. Hopefully in the next couple of years it'll start fruiting on me. Which, it don't look that big, but it's actually about as tall as I am. About 6 foot. So, yep. And over here, which it looks like a little swimming pool right now, but over here I'm digging out a new fire pit. If it ever stopped fucking raining, I would continue on it. But yeah, this is pretty much where we're at so far right now. So. 2 down, 2 to go. Let's see how much can I? Because I want to get you a good view of the stickers on that motherfucker. Yep. I think that's as good as I'm going to be able to get it. Alright, we are over here getting ready to enjoy the fruits of my labor. Which, all you got to do with these is snip the ends off, like so. Flip it around here. It's kind of awkward to do this with the camera there, but yeah, that's pretty much all it is. There is to it. Okay. Because these are a green bean plant. You just snip the ends off, throw them in here and boil them. I always add salt and pepper with them as well. That one, the end broke off when I picked it, so I only got one end to do on that one. So that's nice. A little more. And they're ready. And at this point, I've cooked them, I've strained them, and they are ready to go.
Hey, that's pretty good.